How you guys doing? God bless you. This is Mark again with Mark Mega Maestro and Three Angels Auto Group. It is a little bit after 8 and I am lowering the engine because I finished working on it. Hope I haven't missed anything. I'm just lowering the engine in to the car right now. So just pray for me so I can get this bad boy in. God has been real good because this has been a huge testimony, because this was a mental challenge, because I've never done this before on this scale. I've changed the engine for the Volkswagen that I got before, and the engine for the Volkswagen was smaller. But this one is a V6, inline 6, sorry. It's a bit bigger, and this, I think, because the last time I put an engine in a car, which is the Volkswagen, it was the most challenging part. The most challenging part was getting the engine back in, because you have to marry the transmission and the engine together. So, just pray for me, man. Say a prayer for me as I do this. This stuff to me is fun, but it's hard work. So this is one of the videos I'll be uploading to my YouTube channel. Just wanted to quickly record it on Facebook. God is good, and I know that He will help me. And we'll see how this goes. I'm gonna go ahead and put this bad boy in, and we'll see how it goes. God bless. Talk to you later on the next update.